This is one of these acoustic alarm door stoppers. All right, got a rubber anti-skid thingy on the bottom. Pressure plate and the siren. So before putting it in there, probably want to take your Swiffer or whatever and get rid of that dust, right? Don't have to, but if there's a lot of dust, it might just slide off, right? So, and you place this thing. You shouldn't be able to see it on the other side, ideally. And maybe not right at the corner here because you can reach around too easy and take it away. Gives you some time, you know, before he opens that. So I'm gonna try the kitchen door just for the heck of it because it's got more space here. Wait a minute, I forgot to clean it again. Oh, that's what I clean it. Place it with a higher door clearance. And linoleum. Still works. Obviously it's going to open a little bit further before it hits it, but that will set off the alarm. Here, when you see that plate, beep. Not bad. Okay, let's just try the bathroom door. I mean, you're never going to use it but just try it on different surfaces. You might have tiles behind your entry door, so let's check out on tiles what it does. Place it in there. Obviously these aren't a total security system. See that activating that siren beep. But will certainly alert you and give you some time to react. So it might not, you know. So the interior door. Get rid of the dust. I can manage it, make it just slide away. Okay. Kind of the harder you pull, the more it squeezes it on the ground. It's not bad. It'll slow somebody down before they get through that door. Balcony door. Oh, damn, forgot. You want to slip for that. You get a bunch of sand stuck on the bottom of your door stopper. Probably won't work right. Let's try this thing. Super high clearance here, balcony door. Oops. High clearance, almost an inch. Contacts towards the end. Still works though. I mean, nobody's going to slip through that 4-inch space right there. We'll slow somebody down for a while. Gonna get a few of these. We have a vacation apartment somewhere. Could actually before you close the door, you can put it here. Right behind the door. Like that. Oops. So somebody breaks open the door. Stops there. Now that's not going to stop us from getting in, but right now you've already activated the siren. So they might, for 20 bucks, that's not bad. Gotta get rid of it if I can get to it myself. So that beep might scare a few people off. You know, even if you leave the place, if you're outside, you can still use it that way. And just have it beep when somebody opens the door or breaks it open.